In this video, we'll walk through how to configure the Post Visibility tab under the Activity Feed settings. These settings control which activities and content automatically appear in the activity feed across your community. Let's get started. This tab is where you manage which activities automatically generate posts in the activity feed. First is BuddyBoss Platform Activity. These settings control which member and group actions appear in the feed automatically. You can enable or disable activity posts for actions such as member profile photo updates, profile detail updates, new member registrations, member connections, group creation, group joins, group detail updates. Disable any activity types that aren't relevant to your community to help keep the feed clean and focused. Next is WordPress Activity. Show WordPress Posts displays blog posts published by members directly in the activity feed. Enable WordPress post comments in the activity feed allows members to view and comment on blog posts without leaving the feed. Next is custom post types. This section controls which custom post types generate activity posts when content is published. Available post types may include courses, lessons, topics, quizzes, challenge exams, certificates, groups, orders, submitted essays, and assignments. Enable only the post types that are relevant to your community to keep the feed organized and easy to navigate. And that's how you configure post visibility. These settings give you full control over which activities and content appear in the activity feed across your community.